How to reset the Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on security and privacy. After we scroll down, then tap on more security settings. Now in here, tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Then tap on Reset Blockchain Keystore. And it said here, after resetting the Samsung Blockchain Keystore, you need to set a new PIN. You can continue using your current wallet after entering your recovery phrase. You can also just create a new wallet as well. And that's it. Tap on the reset button and then enter your fingerprint or your PIN to confirm. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.